we are inside the vehicle because I want to show you our vlog content for tonight before I going to sleep in the house. This is the snowfall. First, the snowfall. It's like a 40 to 50% for tonight. So we covered my windshield by snowfall. Okay, so from the main street, see, so white and is that lots of snow, maybe 2 to 3 or 4 centimeter high from the street, in the grass, in the main road, in the vehicle. See, in the top. See, we're going outside now because I'm still I miss the cold of winter. Okay, because tomorrow until Monday is nice weather, mixing cloudy and sunny, but only now the snow is dropping now this morning, early in the morning, so we continue dropping by Tuesday, but only 7 to 12 p.m. only. So for now it's good. uh Goods to see the snowfall. Okay, so we're going out now at the vehicle. It's windy. It's windy now. We're mixing slow. See, there's a sky with rain. It's windy and rainfalls still continue with this mixing snow. Okay, so these are the parking lot in front of the house. Okay, need to unwind, so I take my wine in the vehicle. So this is the street, so white. Okay, just to check the temperature inside the vehicle. It's cold weather. Yes. Okay. I need to take my gloves for my protection by tomorrow. Okay, guys. So it's no people in the outside because it's cold. It's nice to sleep or relaxing. Okay. So that's all, guys. So subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video on my YouTube channel. Okay, that's cool. And subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys. That's all.